Hi, I'm Leanne.
And I'm Liz.
And we're the Old Lady Wives. We've rented a treehouse. I can't wait till we get to Kelowna and we have this treehouse.
Also, while we're there, we're gonna visit family. We're gonna see my brother and his wife.
Not only that, we're also gonna go ride the Kettle Valley Trail and see all the trestles.
I can't wait to see them. It's been over a year. I'm so excited. Well, we're about an hour and a half away from our treehouse Airbnb. Time for a quick snack. We are starving.
Welcome to our treehouse. Come follow me. I'll show you. This is our outdoor living area. Follow the stairs. This is the porch. And here you can sit out here and view the trees. Come on in. This is the living room with a TV that has every streaming channel you can think of. Two of you can have the couch, put up your feet. And this is the bathroom. Here's the toilet. Here's the cabinetry. Another little cabinet. Mirror, sink. And the shower. And here is the kitchen. Everything you need. Glasses, cutlery, coffee pots, coffee maker, tea towels, pots and pans. This is the fridge. It has a really good size freezer. Nice size fridge. And you can cook on this induction stove. And if you want to make some toast or pizza, we got this toaster oven. And here's your kitchen table. This is my favorite little feature. These little hidden chairs in here. So the two of you can sit down and have breakfast together. And this is the loft. Nice comfy bed. Lights. Good Couple good closets.
Hi everyone! This morning we're headed to the Kettle Valley Rail Trail and we're going to do the Myra Canyon section, which is about 12.5 kilometers. And along this route there's 18 trestles and 2 tunnels to go through. I can't wait. It's going to be really cool and exciting, and we'll see you later. Bye! So this is trestle number 1? Cool. Let's go ride it. Well, as you can see by Leanne's face,
It's raining.
she's not very happy, and neither am I. It's typical British Columbia weather. It's supposed to be sunny, no rain, no clouds.
34 degrees.
Well, there's a rain shower going through, and so
And it's 18.
we're hiding under some trees, waiting for it to pass. There goes Miss Leanne. The rain has stopped. Number 7, number 8, and number 9. Well, Leanne's on her way back to a little shelter that we were just staying in to escape the rain because she left her pack and her gloves there. Luckily, it's probably only about 200 meters away, so she should be back any minute. Here she comes. Pack and gloves retrieved. Woo! Ow! And our first tunnel. Tunnel number 2. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. 16. 17. 18. Number 18. Whew. Well, I made it back. Completely soaked. Just waiting for Leanne. Leanne's putting the bikes back on. She's got the car heating up, and we got to go put some warm clothes on.
Well, we just finished our ride and it was crazy. These bikes have not been this dirty in a while. And of course there's no place to rinse. But look. Look at the seats. Crazy.
Yeah, it rained the whole time.
Yep.
covered in mud, or bikes are covered in mud.
Ew, well, this needs a good cleaning right there.
Oh, my chain. Look
Oh,
at all this.
look.
All that.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Come to Kelowna, they say. It's sunny, they say.
It's a desert.
It shouldn't rain. I was soaked to the bone.
Freezing.
Freezing, and it's July, and they said it was going to be 36 degrees Celsius and sunny. But we did, what, 22 kilometers?
Yeah, something like
around
that. Yeah.
Saw 18 trestles.
And 2 tunnels.
Oh, yeah, the 2 tunnels.
Yeah.
And we met some Americans, and we chit-chatted. And
Yep. Yeah, it was lots of fun, and I think we're going to go get a hot drink right now, and then we're going to go see my brother.
And some food. Some food.
And
for
some
sure.
food,
Okay.
because we're hungry.
Yes, we are.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We're on our way home from our Airbnb treehouse. We had an amazing time.
What a great weekend it was, except for when we went up to Myra Canyon.
Well, it's actually Myra Canyon Trestles.
I can't say it.
She can't say that word. I'm not sure why, but yes, we did the Myra Canyon Trestles.
And it was supposed to be 37 degrees and sunny, but
we got poured on the whole time, but that's okay. It was still awesome. We visited with my brother and his family, and it was great to see him.
we went to the beach. It was all around a good weekend.
Yeah, it was really good. The treehouse was pretty amazing. I highly recommend it. It was really well laid out. We had a great time.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.
And
We'll see you in the next
video. Bye.
Bye.